Welcome to the weekly recap of English news from Italy and Friuli Venezia Giulia. Italian officials warn that Trump's tariffs could cost Friuli Venezia Giulia €1 billion. President Donald Trump has announced new 30% tariffs on EU goods starting August 1st, warning they could double if the EU retaliates. Italy, a major exporter to the US, could face losses of €12 billion, according to new estimates.
Penso che oggi l'unica contromisura responsabile è quella fino al 1 agosto di cercare di negoziare e di trovare condizioni maggiormente vantaggiose per l'Europa e per gli Stati Uniti.
Historic Trieste's railway station to become Italy's second major national rail museum.
Trieste's historic Campo Marzio station is being restored with a $24.5 million investment. By early 2027, it will reopen as Italy's second national railway museum, complete with a restaurant, hotel and cultural spaces.
L'immobile sarà in realtà polivalente, utilizzato per più servizi e quindi sarà un nuovo punto di riferimento per la città di Trieste.
Trenitalia has announced that pets can travel free of charge with their owners aboard Frecce and Intercity trains through September 15, 2025.
This summer, pets ride free on Italy's trains. From June to September, Trenitalia lets cats and dogs travel at no cost to help stop holiday abandonment.
The University of Trieste held Ph.D. graduation ceremony on Monday evening at Piazza Verdi.
For the first time, the University of Trieste held its Ph.D. graduation ceremony in the heart of the city, Piazza Verdi. With music, science, storytelling, and cap tossing, the event brought the university and community together under the summer sky.
I'm very happy to finish my rectorate with a fantastic evening where we want to underline the great way of research and growing our student, our PhD student. Perhaps this is the best way to finish my mandate, and I'm very proud to have the possibility to do this work for the last 6 years.
Eccoci qua. I'm so excited.
3. Genertel unveils new headquarters in historic Trieste building.
The new Genertel headquarters has been inaugurated at the Palazzo Stock.
Trieste is really the root of not only Generali but also Genertel. Genertel was born in this city exactly 31 years ago. In this city we have our roots, we have built our successes over the years, and now we want also to use this opportunity to really confirm our commitment towards the future, to reap new successes in the next few years.
Molto orgoglioso quando parlo della mia città di avere le Generali che nascono qua e che sono qua a Trieste. Però questo palazzo è stato ristrutturato, è una delle più belle ristrutturazioni che ho visto in città.
As tourism continues to rise in the Friuli Venezia Giulia region, local officials have addressed concerns about overtourism and recent fluctuations in hotel prices during major events.
Trieste is increasingly experiencing significant tourist pressure, ranking alongside well-known destinations like Venice and Rimini, according to recent studies from the Istituto Demoscopica. While it may not top the charts for overcrowding, the city is facing growing challenges in managing visitor numbers.
Io non penso che oggi siamo di fronte a un overtourism. Sicuramente il Friuli Venezia Giulia e Trieste sono una città che sta avendo grande successo, sta dando grandi opportunità. Questo ci deve responsabilizzare. La responsabilità vuol dire che tutti gli attori del sistema devono avere anche il senso di misura quando arrivano i turisti.
Overtourism è una parola utilizzata in questo periodo, ma assolutamente invera. Trieste non ha una criticità di overtourism, anzi paradossalmente posso anche dirvi che mancano alberghi, nel senso che Trieste ha un'eccellente offerta turistica tra alberghiero e extra ricettivo, extra alberghiero, ha bisogno di, rispetto ai flussi turistici che arrivano in massa in città, ha bisogno di riorganizzare e disciplinare meglio l'offerta turistica.
Trieste honors coffee visionary Ernesto Illy with Roundabout on Centennial of his birth.
Trieste officially named the new roundabout near Via Flavia Rotonda Ernesto Illy, marking 100 years since the birth of the Illy Cafe founder. Local officials, the Illy family, and company employees attended the ceremony. The roundabout borders the company's main plant, which exports coffee to over 140 countries.
Ernesto was an entrepreneur, but fundamentally a scientist and a philosopher, let me say. Seeds which he left are knowledge, complexity, and ethics.
Jazz enthusiasts flock to Trieste's Piazza Verdi for summer concert.
Trieste loves jazz for the first time at Piazza Verdi. Many people across all ages, both tourists and locals, gathered there to enjoy a live music performance by Laurie Williams' band, blending jazz, soul and gospel.
We are here at the festival and I think it's really great that Trieste does like these jazz festivals because it brings the culture even to the young people and I think that's great.
We just arrived, we're here on holidays. I think it's an absolutely wonderful idea to have a free live jazz concert here in the middle of the city center. I think it's absolutely beautiful.
Thank you for watching In Trieste Web TV. We speak your language.